हेलो किड्स, मैं हूँ कोमल और आप देख रहे हैं मदर्स डिग्निटी। तो चलिए आज कुछ हम लोग नया सीखते हैं। आइए देखते हैं आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है। चलिए देखते हैं आज का टॉपिक। आज का टॉपिक क्या है? अल्फ़ाबेट। अल्फ़ाबेट्स आप कभी पढ़े हो? अगर नहीं तो आज मैं आपको पढ़ाती हूँ अल्फ़ाबेट। अच्छा, अल्फ़ाबेट होता क्या है आपको पता है? अल्फ़ाबेट क्या होता है? अल्फ़ाबेट्स जो हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ABCD जो कि A to Z तक रहता है, उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? अल्फ़ाबेट्स बोलते हैं। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे क्या? अल्फ़ाबेट्स। आइए सीखते हैं और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। और हम लोग लिखेंगे कैसे? ABCD A to Z तक लिखेंगे कैसे? तो हम लोग को पहले क्या लेना है? पहले 4 लाइन वाले कॉपी को लेना है। 4 लाइन वाले कॉपी देखिए कि 1 2 3 एंड 4 लाइन वाले कॉपी को लेना। उस कॉपी को क्या बोलते हैं? इंग्लिश। उस कॉपी को इंग्लिश बोलते हैं। तो हम लोग को 4 लाइन वाले कॉपी को लेना है। उसके बाद फिर हमें स्टार्ट करना है फर्स्ट पेज से। तो चलिए लिखना शुरू करते हैं। At first we will make a line. We will make a line and at the middle also we will make a line. चलिए तो ये क्या हुआ? ये A, इसे क्या बोलते हैं? इसे A बोलते हैं। चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्या है नेक्स्ट। Next, first we will make straight line and we will make up 1 and 2. And this is, do you know what this is? This is B. Yes, this is B. And next we will write half circle. What? Next is there? Half circle. Do you know what is this? This is C. What this is? This is C. Yes. Next देखते हैं next क्या है? Next we will make one straight line and then we will make half circle from opposite. What? First we will make straight line and then half circle from opposite side. So do you know what is this? This is D. What? This is D. Okay, then next we will write. First we will make straight line and one small line and second small line and third small line. Do you know what is this? What is this? Do you know? This is E. What? This is E. Yes, this is E. Once again we will make straight line and half line horizontal. Half line. And do you know what is this? This is F. What? This is F. Yes, this is F. And we will make a half circle. First we will make half circle and we will go up and then we will make half straight and then we will make half straight. Then what it became? This is G. What? This is G. And next we will write what? First a straight line and second a straight line and from the middle we will make a small line. Do you know what is this? This is the H. This is H. And next we will write a straight line. First one a straight line, and from upper side we will make one small line, and from down also we will make one small line. So do you know what is this? This is I. What? This is I. And next we will write. Let's see what is next. First we will make one small line in upper line, and then one straight line, and we will make it round. Do you know what is this? This is J. What? This is J. And next we will write. Next what? Firstly we will make one straight line, and then small line. We will make two small lines from the middle of straight line. So do you know what is this? This is K. What? This is K. And next we will make one more straight line, and from the middle, from the last we will make also one straight line that will be small. What? That will be small. Do you know what is this? This is L. This is L. Next we will make one more straight line, and from middle we will make small line to a small line up to down. Two small lines we will make from up to down, and then one more straight line. We will make one more big straight line. So do you know what is this? This is M. What? This is M. And next we will write. Let's see what is that. Make one more straight line and straight, and one more straight. Do you know what is this? This is N. What is? This is N. And we will make one circle. What is this? Do you know this circle? What is this? This is O. What? This is O. And we will make one more straight line, and we will make half cup. This is a half cup. Then do you know what is this? This is P. What? This is P. And we have to make one more circle. We have to make one more circle, and from the middle of this circle we have to cut. Then what it became? It became Q. What? It is Q. What is next? Let's see. First we will make straight line, and then we will make cup, and from the middle we will make a line. So this is R. What? This is R. Okay, we will write next alphabet. What is next? Let's see. We will make 2 cups. We will make 2 cups from opposite. First is from this side and next is from that side. So this is the S. What? This is the S. And first we have to draw a straight line, and from the middle one more we have to draw straight line. Do you know what is this? This is T. What? This is T. And after T, do you know what comes? After T, do you know what comes? Let's see what comes after T. After T comes, first we will write one straight line, and from the middle we will make it half circle and straight line. Do you know what it became? Do you know what? This is the U. What? This is U. And next we will write what comes next after U. Okay, after U what comes? Do you know? We will write what comes after U. Do you know what is this? This is V. What? This is V. And do you know after V what comes? After V what comes? Do you know? Don't know. Okay, no problem. I will mention you after V what comes. After V comes, let's say what comes. V. After V, we will write here 2V. 2V we will write here. Then what here will become? When we will write here 2V, then it will become W. What? W. When we will write here 2V, then here will become W. W. After W what comes? Do you know? After W what comes? Let's write what comes after W. After W comes what? What is this? Do you know? Do you know what is this? This is X. What? This is S. And next what comes? Do you know? Don't know. Okay, no problem. We will write here after X what comes. After X here comes what? What? This is the Y. What? This is Y. Okay, next we will write what comes next. Next is there what? Don't know. Don't know what comes after Y. After Y comes Z. What? After Y comes Z. Okay, got it? Okay, once we will read with the word meaning. We will read alphabet with the word meaning. Okay? Okay, then let's start. A for apple. What? A for apple. And B for ball. B for ball. And C for cat. Cat means Billy. Billy, have you seen cat? Okay. Okay, D for D for dog. D for dog. Have you seen a dog? Yes. Okay then. E for elephant. What? E for elephant. Then you have seen an elephant in zoo. Okay. And F for fish. F for fish. It lives in river and pond. Where it lives? It lives in river and pond. What lives in river and pond? Fish. Then F for fish. And G for God. G for God. God you have seen now. Okay. And H for hen. What? H for hen. Hen means मुर्गी. मुर्गी आप लोगों ने देखा है ना? Okay. And I for ice cream. You have eaten na ice cream? Okay, it's very yummy. I for ice cream. Okay, J for, do you know what becomes J for? J for joker. Joker you have seen na? Okay. Okay then. K for king. K for king. King you have seen na? In a story book, you have studied about king in a story books, and you have seen pictures of king in a story book. Yes. Okay then. L for lion. What? L for lion. Have you seen ever lion? Yes, you have seen. Okay then. M for, do you know what M for? M for monkey. Where lives monkey? Monkey lives on the tree. Where? On tree. Then you have seen a monkey? Yes. Okay then. N for, do you know what N for? N for nest. What? N for nest. This is the house of bird. This is the house of bird. Okay. And O for ox. Have you seen ox? Yes. You have seen na ox? Yes. And P for parrot. What? P for parrot. Where it lives? Parrot lives in nest. Yes. Parrot where lives? Parrot lives in nest. Okay. Q for queen. What? Q for queen. You have seen now pictures of queen? Yes. Where queen lives? Queen lives in your storybook. Yes. And what is the meaning of R? Do you know what meaning of R? R for rat. Rat you have seen now? Yes. Where lives a rat? Rat lives in our house. Yes. It lives in our house. Yes. Okay then next. What is next? S for sun. And sun means Suraj. You have seen na sun? It rises in the morning and it sets in the evening. Yes, you have seen sun. And T for tiger. What? T for tiger. And where it lives? It lives in jungle. Then you have seen na tiger. Okay. And what is this? This is U. And U for umbrella. Umbrella you have used in rainy season. In rainy season what we use? We use umbrella. Okay. And next what is this? This is V. And V for van. have you ever traveled in van? Yes, we always travel in van. Okay, and what is next? Next is W, and W for watch. What? W for watch. Then you have what? Yes, you have watch. And what is this? This is X. And X for Xmas tree. What? X for Xmas tree. You have seen now Xmas tree? Yes. Okay, then this is the Y, and Y for yak. What? Y for yak. And it where lives? It lives on mountain. And Z for zebra. What? Z for zebra. So zebra, where it lives? It lives in forest. Zebra where lives? It lives in forest. Okay guys, then you have understand very well alphabet. Okay, then like our channel, our video, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.